Ready to transform a generated art into a thriving Etsy business? First, head over to Midjourney's Discord server. You'll need a subscription for commercial use then. Unleash your creativity by crafting detailed prompts. Think about the style, subject, and color palette you envision for your wall art. For example, imagine typing in a minimalist watercolor painting of a mountain range at sunrise, muted colors, serene atmosphere. Experiment with different prompts, refining them until you achieve the desired result. Use parameters like AR followed by a ratio, e.g. AR23 for a portrait-style print to control the aspect ratio, ensuring your images are suitable for printing. Also, experiment with zoom and stylize parameters. Once you have images you love, upscale them using Midjourney's upscaling tools to ensure they're high resolution and print-ready. Remember, larger dimensions guarantee better print quality and customer satisfaction. Now, it's time to set up your Etsy shop. Create compelling product listings with high-quality mockups, clearly stating that your art is AI-generated and highlighting its uniqueness. Price your prints competitively, considering your costs and the market value of similar items. Promote your shop on social media and engage with potential customers. Be transparent about your process and highlight the benefits of owning AI-generated art. With the right strategy and stunning visuals, you'll be well on your way to building a successful Etsy business fueled by the power of AI.